something new in my office. Have you noticed that? 2 of them are my paintings, one of them is my inspiration. Yeah, I love that picture. I missed you guys. Really missed you. But I needed this rest. A few days without anything, without thinking about anything, filming, but I really needed that. And now I'm back. Now I'm back, ready with inspiration, ideas to film, and just excited for the future coming to us. So today I'm going to show you how I'm working with Adobe Fresco. In one of my previous videos, I already shared with you my passion for painting and told you that right now I'm more concentrating on digital paintings, digital art. So today I'm gonna give you one simple, very easy way to paint beautiful painting with a portrait, with a continuous line, with motivational words in the background, and it's gonna be fun. I'm sure every one of you can do it yourself at home if you have iPad and Adobe Fresco or any other application for raster painting. I'm gonna create 3 different paintings and show you all the way around. They are pretty similar but unique in their own way. I'm very excited. Yeah. Let's start. Open your Adobe Fresco, choose the size of your painting. I more often choose A4 size. First, start with covering it, the first layer, with any color you like with the filling tool. Then change your brush, choose Comics letter brush. It's in the very first on top. Black color, pretty thin, around 20. Paint a random line, then take a filler tool and fill the areas that are created right now with any color you like. I like this combination of pink, white, and light yellow. Okay, right now we're ready to create a new layer for our reference picture. Go to the Pinterest, find an attractive portrait that you like, upload the picture to your Adobe Fresco. This is gonna be our reference layer. Create a new layer on top and again, take your Comics letter brush, thin, black, put some lines wherever you feel like, underlining the features of the person in your reference photo. I like to start with putting some lines on the hair. Then make the contour of the body, hands, arms, and finish with the face. Painting the facial features, the ones you want to underline. There are many different pictures and everything depends on the one you chose. So this is time to be creative. All the time, check whether you like what you're getting on the top layer by making the reference layer invisible, the layer with your photo. Make it invisible and you will see how you like what you're getting. Then make it visible again and continue if you need to put some final touches. And here, the final step is to erase unnecessary lines or the endings of the lines. I like my lines to finish straight, so I erase some little spots that I don't like here using a eraser tool. Finally, delete the photo reference layer. And you will see your picture. Create a new layer. It's gonna be our motivational words. Put them on top, on the bottom, wherever you feel like. put in them and write any phrase. There is a variety of different fonts on Adobe Fresco. Me personally, I like the one that's called Savoyer L-E-T. Savoyer Let. I like it. I choose it most often. But you can choose any other one. There are plenty of them. So, and our artwork is ready! Hooray! Congratulations! It was easy, huh? I put my artwork on a mock-up for you to see how it looks like in a frame, hanging on the wall in the real apartment, just to let you know how beautiful this easy and simple painting is. Of course, you can print it, give it to your beloved ones, to family, friends as a gift, or sell on online platforms as a digital download or print on demand. Thank you a lot for watching, listening to me. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you find this information very useful, and I'm excited to see your works. You can send them to my Instagram direct messages, and I will be very, very happy to share this moment with you. I really want to build a very friendly and close community here with you guys. Thank you a lot. Bye.